In today's video, I will teach you how to make someone look older or younger using AI. Let's get started. Whether you're just having fun, exploring how you'd look as an elder or a kid, or creating concept art for stories or character design, the ability to age or de-age a photo using AI is both entertaining and surprisingly powerful. Enphotor's AI Age Changer lets you instantly transform someone's appearance to look older or younger with surprisingly realistic results. To do this, visit Photo AI Photo Editor. Now click Upload to add your own image. Alternatively, you can choose one of the sample images available on the platform to test the tool without uploading anything. Supported formats include JPG, PNG, and WebP. On the left sidebar, switch to the Beauty tab. And under the Smart AI Tools, click AI Age Changer. And the tool will prompt you to choose the gender of the subject in the photo. Now make the appropriate selection before continuing. And take note that this tool uses AI-generated transformation, which means the background and pose of the photo may change. The output is not just a retouched version, it's a newly generated image based on your original input. Now we're going to choose the desired age range. You can select from the following age options: child, teenager, adult, middle-aged, and elderly. So click the age group that you want to see the subject transformed into. Then click the Generate button and wait a few moments for the AI to work its magic. And take note that each generation costs 2 credits. Now use the comparison button located at the bottom to view the before and after versions side by side. If you're happy with the result, click Apply to save the changes. Then click Download at the top to save the final image to your device. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.